Wow, look at that. I am now on my setup of my bike. But you know, I'm still not totally sure if I'm going to do it. Anyway, I will make a breakfast first. I still have this dough that I made last night. I'm going to fry this and one egg also. Yo, yeah, we made it. We are now on our way to do bike packing. It's just going to be today until tomorrow. You know, these are kinds of plants. There's having a really beautiful flower. Yeah, look at that. How beautiful are those flowers, those yellow thing. Yeah, I just had a downhill ride. It was very fast. I was a little scared because maybe there's something that is approaching to me, but it's good. Okay, we just gone through the highway. This is a busy highway, and you know, it is so good when we are riding in a bike lane like this. This is not just a bike lane, but a shared footpath also. This is called Anna Bay. This is around 10 to 15 minutes drive coming from Salamander or Nelson Bay area, but with my bike it's around 30 minutes. And if you go straight there, you're going to see all those camels in the Berobi beach. And again, this sideways is new. It was not here before. I believe in the future this is going to be all the way to Newcastle. Yeah, which is good, because you know, this place has many cars that are running really fast. Highway here in Australia also is having a bike lane. Like this lane, this is a bike lane. Yo, we are now here in the Oakville Wildlife Park. I never been there. Yeah. But this area, this is still part of the Port Stephen. We are basically coming from the highway. I don't record in the highway because it's dangerous. Oh, from time to time I saw some cyclists. I was wondering how come they are running very quick. What are something special that are in their bike? Why they are coming really fast? I tried to catch up, but I can't really. Yeah, my bike is electric bike, but you know, their bike is really fast. Look at that, amazing. You know, the skin is like, it's like, a lot of rabbit in here. And then that one is what is that? And we are now in the McDonald's and near the airport. I am hungry. You know, when you are really hungry, you're going to really enjoy the food you usually eat. Yeah, the same like this. I'm really enjoying this. So good. It is now 12:06 and it has been 2 hours since we left Nelson Bay. Nice! We are now here in this place, and this sideways, it is now all the way to Newcastle. Nice! I no need to worry now with the big cars, fast and big cars. Yeah, there is one cemetery in here. This is the Stockton Cemetery. There are some people in there. we have the option to go to Newcastle. One is by taking this bridge, and the other one is to go to Stockton, and then there is a ferry on that side. We'll go to the other side of the river, and that is already the Newcastle. Yeah, we'll go continue this. I choose this way because if you go to that bridge, there's no sideways like this. There's no bike path, just the highway side way. Look at this. This is really beautiful. Yeah, there is small flower. If you look at them from afar away, it looks like dry grass, but they're actually a flower. Small flower. Okay, we get down. I'll show you. There is one rig boat in here. We are now in the area where it feels really relaxed. Yes, as a matter of fact, there are some people, they are having their car parked in there, and they have their blanket on the ground. They're sitting there relaxing, picnic. There is a couple in there. They are on their bike and they are trying to cross to the other side. They have a dog on their bike. Nice. And in here, yeah, the other side is the Newcastle, but that is like a factory for the mining. There are some tables in there and there are people eating. I've been here before, but I didn't really enjoy during the time because I was really up in a hurry to go home. I was coming from bikepacking from Brisbane that time. That bird is trying to take something from me. How come? The color of the water is similar to the color of the water in Brisbane River. They are really pushing hard. They are having just a ordinary bike. Oh, they are doing some construction. They are doing some renovation in here, and they made an alternative way. From time to time I can see fishermen. Oh, there is an sports event that is happening this time. Yeah, they are doing some cricket. They are playing some cricket. Cricket is one of the top sports here in Australia. Yeah, cricket, rugby, and football. Every day in the news they are going to feature the cricket and football and rugby, but not basketball. Yeah, there are some fishermen. They also have some pelican in here. Look at that. And they also have the scaling station in here where they can clean their fish. Nice. We are now near to the wharf. Yeah, this is the Stockton wharf or station. The ferry is just going to cross to the other side to get to the Newcastle. That's already the town center or the business district of Newcastle. Oh, look at, yeah, these people, they are coming from the other side. We are not going there yet because we're going to explore that side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bikes in the car. They have a nice playground here in Stockton, both for kids and adults. Oh, look at that. They are flying a kite. That kite is the like a normal kite. When I was a kid, we always do a kite. Yeah, because near to my house is a playground. I mean, it's a oval, a field, and that is where we fly our kites. The kites are usually made of the newspaper. The kids is crying. Okay, we are now here on the other side here. If there is a camping ground here, I am going to stay here. Oh, interesting. This maybe is a viewing area. We're going to have a look. This is a shipwreck walk. Look at that, a father and son. They are fishing. Why the color of the water is like that? Like rusty. While on this side is normal. This water is the passage for the cargo. Yeah, for the cargo ship. Usually cargo of those mining factory. Oh, the last time that I went on that side, there is one many seal resting in one of the rocks in there. That is why it's called the shipwreck. Look at that. If you come here in Newcastle, it's good to bike around. I mean, you can rent the bike somewhere in the town center. Yeah, it's nice. Relax. You can easily get to the place you want to go with a bike. If you walk straight to that sand, if you can see that sand, yeah, if you go straight, you're going to reach the Port Stephen, Nelson Bay. And I did walk already before. It's a good experience. It was around 4 hours of walk. Yeah, I actually started in McDonald's, you know, where we eat a while ago, and then walk along going to the beach area. And I was walking. I was already here on that side when it gets dark, around 8 o'clock, when I reached the Newcastle hostel, YHA. I changed because the other one is really thick. That one is a snow jacket. It's not really that much cold. Okay, that's it from this side. We are going back to Stockton. The kite is flying smoothly. Beautiful. Okay, now we are going to take the ferry, going to the other side.